Okay, let's go for lips.
All right, you've got 6 minutes left.
My mom would not be very proud right now.
I'm Christina Rodolfo, Senior Beauty Editor at ELLE.com, and this is Beauty Haul. Today our player is Jasmine Sanders, a model you might know as Golden Barbie on Instagram. You've seen her on runways, on magazine covers, and most recently as a rookie in Sports Illustrated swimsuit issue.
How are you? How's it going?
Good. Are you ready to play Beauty Haul?
I am.
So the rules of the game are, you have a $150 budget and 30 minutes to apply a full face of makeup and shop the store.
30 minutes to shop and do my makeup. Okay, nice.
How do you feel?
A little nervous, a little bit, but I think I got it. I think I might be able to do something. I don't know how good it'll look.
How long does it usually take you to do your makeup?
It just depends. If I'm going a little more on the natural, just glowy vibe with a little bit of, maybe about 30 minutes. But if I get kind of crazy and do some eyeliners and stuff, I usually need some time.
So we're in Walgreens, and obviously the prices here are much cheaper than if you were at a bigger beauty retail store. What's your strategy?
Ooh, I am definitely gonna go first for some highlight and a nice blush situation. Find something for my brows. I need to end with a rose water or some type of spray, so it's gonna be fun to kind of run around this store.
Well, let's see how you do. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Timer starts now.
Okay. Okay.
So, Jasmine,
over here.
what is your first product that you're looking for?
I go for brows, so
Brows.
I think I am going to find a little something in here.
Ooh, so that is $14?
I know I'm starting off a little heavy.
Well, brows are important.
This is the go-to for me.
What's next?
Let's go, I guess over here.
So here we've got a mixture of products. They're all like
Yes.
little babies.
Which I love.
Smart and cost effective.
Mascara, but I do not need 2 of them. Ooh.
That is Maybelline and $10.
You're scaring me with these prices. It's so hard when you're not used to the stores.
No. Okay, this is a blush you're going for, or is this a lip?
I was gonna look for a blush, but I feel like that may be a little too bright for me. I like colors that are more around like the pinkish, like with a little golden touch into it, so that way I can kind of just blend my highlight into everything and
Kind
make
of
it
like
all
NARS
work.
Orgasm, but drugstore.
Exactly. Let's see.
Day to day, do you usually do your own makeup?
I do, but I'm usually a go-to on the same type of product. This might be pretty.
Ooh, a pink.
It's so hard, I can't see
That
these.
is only $6.50.
Which I'm not mad at. I know these though a little better.
Oh, I love the
more.
soft matte creams.
Exactly.
They're
These
so
are
good.
beautiful.
And they're also like $7, so.
That's so fun.
Because we're in a drugstore, you know, you can experiment and get a few colors and not have to worry about it.
And this one's buy one get one half off. So
Buy one, get one half
I'm gonna have a red, and then we're gonna try a matte nude as well, just in case.
Next
Skip
stop.
that one. Let's get some mascara.
Yes.
I run into
Covergirl.
Walgreens all the time for mascara, and these are mine.
That's the classic.
Black,
And it's $11.
perfect. Exactly. I will waste the money on this. And then is that a brow gel?
Yes, and it's the only one.
Perfect. Now I have brow gel. Brows are covered. We have
Got you.
mascara. I have 2 lip colors just in case. Got a lip liner. We need something for cheeks. I do want to get something. An eyeshadow.
Ooh, a
I
palette.
used to love a fun Covergirl palette. Does this include a brush? Alrighty, well I'll go with that one, and then I think I'll just take a tiny brush.
Oh, and these are like $2.
Yeah,
These little baby brushes.
I'll go for this one, or these.
That's $4.
We'll do 3.
Okay, bronzer.
Nice bronzer.
How do you like to apply your bronzer usually?
Just like to brush it in this area, touch, and then make sure I get a little color on that cheek.
Yeah. We've been squatting a lot today.
We have.
You have 22 minutes left.
Ooh, okay.
Yes, lots of room to play still.
Hey, I think with this one and this one. Definitely want to get these two colors.
Okay, so got a basket now.
The last thing that I may need is like a rose water spray.
A rose water spray.
Something to set, but like also give me a little bit more hydration.
Yeah, this setting spray.
Setting spray. And then they also had another one here as well. So what is the difference in price? That one's $9.99.
Yeah, about $10. And then that one is $8.
Let's see.
This Walgreens also has a Birchbox attached to it, so if you wanted to maybe explore the products that are in Birchbox,
I think we should start heading that way.
off
I will
to
follow
our
you.
magical Birchbox place. So here we are. It's like the cutest little boutique.
This is super cute.
It does not feel like a drugstore
It
anymore.
doesn't at all.
Ooh, a mister here.
Ooh. And the fun part is I think you can try these.
That one is $28.
Oh, I like how they put the price underneath
So that you
here.
don't know, they trick you.
Like,
They trick
just to
you.
let you know.
So you have about 17 minutes left.
Yeah, I
Okay.
think we're okay. I
Yeah.
want to make sure that I have time
So are
to
you
do
gonna
my
go for the
face.
spray or no?
No, I'll
No.
stick with the one that
Stick
I
with the
have.
one.
Keep it a little under budget
Got it.
and figure it out.
Okay, so time to do your face.
All right, let's go.
All right.
I love this brush because it really allows you to kind of work with the shape already. All right, you guys got me rushing. Oh, and this one even came with a brush and I didn't know.
Oh, coral color.
Little brighten things up a touch.
Yeah, especially since you're in all white.
Exactly.
You could do a little more color.
a little bit of color.
Just a little bit of highlighter.
Especially if I don't have time to really conceal, I just like blend it all with a little bit of shine. A little over my lip. Let's see, where are we at? Should have went for a different shade. It's okay, we'll deal with what we can. Not bad though, because the purples really kind of bring out my eyes more, which is nice.
All right, 11 minutes. I noticed that you like to put it on the bottom lashes.
I do. I have dark circles, so I feel like this kind of distracts you. Okay, let's go for lips.
So you chose a red.
And we're just gonna go for it. My mom would not be very proud right now.
What was it like having a makeup artist as a mom?
Nice, but at the same time, I'm very creative. So it's like a tug and pull. A lot of the time she wanted to do makeup and I was like, but I want to try it and I've learned and I've watched you. So,
Totally.
But now it's amazing because she gets to do my makeup for some events. So.
Oh my gosh. All right, you've got 6 minutes left.
All right. I always have to work around my curls. I think we're done.
The final spritzes. And you like a setting spray just so
I
you can
do.
finish it off.
I feel like it rehydrates you everywhere.
Amazing. Where would you wear this makeup look, you think?
Ooh, out right now to lunch. Like literally to go get a bite of food, to go hang out with girls, out at night. Like it's a fun vibe, I think, especially without doing a strip lash or something like that. You still can play up like daytime with a pop of color.
Got it.
So,
Amazing. Good job. Thanks for watching, and for more beauty haul, subscribe to Elle on YouTube.